If you are interested in sending an email from TAC, go to Class Management, Email. From here, you can choose, is your audience just the parents, just the students, or is it both? So I'm going to go ahead and select both, and then over here, if you are a specialist, you'll have multiple classes, of course. You can choose which classes you want to send to. Then you hit close, and of course, you know, your subject line. And then over here, type in your message. You can certainly provide a hyperlink here, and you can provide an attachment down here. And then, of course, you go ahead and hit send, which I'm not going to do. Once you send that email, you do not have to keep a copy of it anywhere, even though I do have a folder in Google called Parent Communication per year. But you can come down here, and there is a record under your reports of all of the emails that you have sent. Okay, so that's a pretty handy way to use TAC.